Hi everyone, and welcome to another video. I will leave the model in our Discord server, so make sure you join it. I will showcase a spin obstacle with a satisfying damage effect that I added to my game. Stay tuned for the next devlog, and make sure you watch the first one. Now, enjoy! Alright everyone, this is how the spin obstacle looks like. And the damage effect, I actually have this model in my game, and I will showcase it soon. The effect is fun and clean to use for your game. I'm already using it, and I will show more in the next devlog. So we started by making a variable for our part, and a timer to avoid spamming damage. Then we prepared the tween effect that we will use for the spin, basically making the animation play forever, and the goal is rotating the part 360 degrees. After we use the touch event to check if a player has touched the spinning part. Basically, we check if the part that touched it has a humanoid object. Then we check if the player is able to get damaged by the wait time if that's true. We reset the timer and create an animation. And we place the ID of our animation and play it as if the player got hit by something. After playing the animation, we play the sound and we decrease the player's health, and then we copy the particles effect from replicated storage and place it in our player's humanoid root part. After we emit the particles to play a clean effect. And finally we delete the particles after 0.5 seconds, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.